Imagine walking into a store and waving a magic wand and paying for your snacks or your food item. It sounds fake, right? Well, Cash App just made it real. The company recently launched the Cash App Wand, a $25 NFC powered payment accessory that is part of a new product line called Cash App Tags. So instead of pulling out your phone or debit card, you simply need to tap the wand on the payment terminal and you are done. Now the big question is this thing actually useful, or is it just another viral gimmick? So let's find out. First, here is how it's going to work. The Cash App Wand connect directly into your Cash App card. Once you activate it, it works anywhere. Visa, tap to pay is accepted. You don't need batteries, you don't need Bluetooth, you don't need charging. Just tap and you are good to go. Tap and pay. Cash App actually says the goal is to make payment faster and more fun, especially for younger users who already use Cash App daily. And honestly, it does look pretty cool. But looks is not everything, and let's talk about the good stuff first. Number one, convenience. So if you are at a concert or a festival or a sporting event or anywhere you don't want to pull out your phone, the wand is actually going to be useful to you. You just need to tap and go. Now, number two is security. If you lose the wand, you can actually lock or deactivate it instantly through your Cash App. So you'd also be able to receive your spending notifications whenever it is being used. So number three is its uniqueness. So let's be honest, no one is going to actually remember you paying with a debit card. But paying with a magic wand, people are definitely going to notice. They're going to be like, hey, what did you just use to pay? Stuff like that. So let's go to the downside. The biggest issue is that it costs $25. And at the end of the day, it does exactly what the same thing your phone can actually do and the same thing your debit card already does for free. So another concern is losing it, because it is actually designed to hang from bags or chain key. As you can see here, there's the image. You can see how it appears here. So it is actually designed to hang on your bags or on your chain key. So some people online are already questioning whether it is easier to lose it than losing a regular card. And I've even seen a lot of mixed reactions online. On X, many users think it is actually fun, creative, or even more clever way to make payments more interesting. Others might actually think it is unnecessary because phones and smartwatch already handle contactless payments perfectly. Reddit discussion has already been getting mixed reactions as well. Some long-time Cash App users actually love the new feature and see the wand as a new phone accessory, and a lot of people are actually getting it for themselves. A lot of people are actually buying it right now. Others actually argue that Cash App should actually focus more on customer support and account issue rather than creating a novelty payment gadget. So is Cash App wand worth buying? My answer to that is, if you are looking for the cheapest and most practical way to pay, probably not. Your phone already does the job, or your smartphone. You can actually do that with your smartphone or your debit card. But if you enjoy unique tech, collectibles, or you just want something fun or something that actually stands out, the Cash App wand is actually going to be pretty cool for you to use, and it is not revolutionary. It is not going to replace your wallet. It is not and might not be the most interesting payment accessory you've seen in years. So what do you think? Would you spend $25 on a payment wand, or would you just stick to your phone or your debit card? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Alright guys, see you in the next one. It has always been your boy Daniel.